So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your tickets and cards are missing inside of Apple Wallet. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very big thing you're going to want to have to do and remember is that you want to make sure your cards were properly added. Sometimes your cards may not be properly added, and that can be one of the main issues you might have. So just scroll through, see if the cards were added. If not, click into your plus button up here and try going through and adding in those cards one more time. A lot of the times, if you just go through and try to adjust it that way and re-add the card, that can sometimes end up fixing the problem for you, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. If that doesn't end up working, the next thing you're probably going to want to check out here is to go through and see if those plane tickets, concert tickets, whatever you have, see if they were added via your email. So open up your mail account, your mail app, or get a link to that particular ticket and see if you can re-add it into your account. Again, that's probably the other thing you're going to have to do there too. And make sure you inputted all your information properly. If you did not input all your information properly, then Apple Wallet is not going to know how to bring in those tickets. So try going through, re-add those cards, re-add those tickets with the proper information. You can also try going through and try updating your iPhone. So click inside of your settings application of your iPhone like this. Scroll down, click on the general option right here. Click onto the software update option and try software updating your iPhone. This can be another really easy thing to go ahead and kind of fix this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.